What's happening, man? My head Rio. Come from my nigga Mill's house about 7-something in the morning. High as fuck still from last night. Shit all in my face. Anyhow, about to hit the house, so go fuck with Lil Sis for her birthday. Shout out my nigga Lil Kev. Shout out all my niggas that was out there last night, man. We was rocking that motherfucker, man. Shout out Lil Kev, YH nigga, 3 of a kind nigga. My nigga Cello, hello. Nigga, we was out there in that thing. Nigga, we was going Yankees in that bitch. You feel me? Anyways, man, about to hit up this west. Huh? Yeah, it's open down there. Alright, nigga, about to hit the west side. Gotta fuck with little bruh sis. My little sisters.
Is that store open?
Yeah.
It's open?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hard B-Day. Other than that, see y'all niggas later, man. MyPed TV, man. We out this motherfucker.